What's up, one tonners? Kyle here. Just get a little bit of an intro for a fishing trip that me and Jared went on down at Wolf Trap. Anyway, it was a last minute trip. We decided to check out Wolf Trap when it was gonna be high, the water was gonna be high, and so when we got there, the water was barely in the banks. So anyway, we started throwing out. Jared, he had some technical difficulties. You'll see in the video, he had to climb over the bridge, or inside the bridge, however you want to say it. And then from there, we put 8 fish on the bank, and we wound up keeping them to cook, eat. But overall, it was a good night. The fish was hitting good, and like I said, we put 8 on the bank. We fished till about 1 o'clock in the morning or so. Fished until we ran out of bait anyway. And overall, good night. And anyway, just take a look, watch the video. If you like it, go to our YouTube channel, subscribe please. We're trying to get as many subscribers as we can. Appreciate it. Trap. They just opened the road back up. Jared got hung up on the bridge, and he's trying to get his line off the bridge.
After my bait right there.
And he's trying to get his bait too. As you can see, he's being a little bit of a daredevil, climbing on the bridge. Now he's climbing back off. Sorry, he's back on the road now. Now he's trying to get his line straight. You can see his line is up over top of the bridge. He's reeling it in. Oh, they got it that time. Wave to the crowd.
What's the name?
Kyle got him a fish on. Still got him on there?
He got me hung up, so I let him take some out. I think he's still on there.
Yeah, you still got him. Yeah, he's on there. Oh, he's nice. Whew. Yeah, I just slipped. Yeah.
Go back in there.
We had one. Kyle got him another one. There you. Let me get the net. There he is. Uh-oh. I have to put the phone up.
Yeah. All right, you got Jared hooked up on another one right here at Wolf Trap. Hey, you ain't go swimming, y'all.
I don't think he's coming to me. He ain't as big as that other one. He's on there.
Hey, that's all that matters.
That's right.
You got the net ready. The cat feed rod and getting put to work.
There he comes. He swam out a little bit. There he is. I'll hang up in the tree.
Edit.
Edit. He's swimming too.
All right, we'll be back with a photo. Got a net. All right, Jerry hooked up on another fish. Cord's a little shaky, cause just a little shaky. Got that big cat feed rod putting to work again. Holy shoot. Alright. Alright, got Jared down here. Hooked up on a fish on wolf trap. There he is right there reeling him in. I'm trying to get the net. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, got that big cat fever rod in action. There you go.
They took off a lot of line, didn't it?
Yeah, that thing took off and ran with it.
Still pretty good.
Sorry y'all, the bugs are terrible.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Yeah, I like when they fight like this, man. That's net.
Yeah. All right.
He's coming. Don't go no further than that. No, you foul hooked the catfish.
Foul hooked him?
Or he's lassoed. Hang on.
Got it. Probably gonna ram. Sure. Let's go. Got a blue?
Yeah.
You're gonna have mine there already. Yeah. Right up the slack.
No. Leave the slack.
Take the pole and I'll get the stringer. Father's Day fishing. Hard and hard.
You be careful getting that string. Dad, don't step over in there.
I'm good. I got my traction shoes on. You only fall so far.
Well, if you do, I got it on tape anyway.
That's all right. And you can show it because I like it when people laugh at it.
Don't lose the stringer.
That's bait, right?
Yes, sir.
And he's showing us how to fish. Apparently, we don't know because we can't get our lines in because he's too busy catching them all so fast.
But I'm old. Get him, Mark. Get him. You want to pull the kid? All right, what do you got?
Catfish.
You don't know if you.
How's it cool? Is it?
Good. That's bigger than both of mine.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. There you go. Pull them on up here. It helps if I got the camera pointing to where I can see the fish.
Can you hold the pole?
Oh, I just get hit.
No, that was me hitting it.
How about you don't tease me like that? I get emotional. Oh, he's not. How was good?
He's so good.
No, he's right in his bottom lip.
You know what it was on?
That, no. Oh, really?
The blue head?
Yeah. Art, wow.
Is that what you weigh with?
Yeah, I was showing your mom.
Did you show my mom?
My fish. The mudfish.
The old man take a picture. Nice. And it ain't even got dark yet.
Yeah. That's something to John here.
Is that a scale?
No, it's just so you can hold them so they don't bite you. It's like a pair of vice grips.
You got a scale.
Yep. That's probably about 6 pounds.
Enjoying my honey bun. This is the
Is that a Claire?
yeah, see, Claire style.
Oh.
I didn't know if you would like this one or not. That's why I got you the iced one.
That's what I say. I don't know. The ice one's my favorite by far. I've never had one of those.
You want to take a couple of bites to go ahead?
No, thank you.
GoPro, stop recording.
Look, I had it pointing the wrong way. Look at it, there's a picture, guys.